All right, Kevin here with Bit Rod Garage again. I gotta get a video up, I know, but I just wanted to show you what I got because I did say I was going to get under the truck and kind of what I was going to do to it, but plans have changed. But look, here's the truck, Z71. You know, it's pretty rough, you know, on the outside and on the inside, but I think a little cleaning up will really do this truck some good. So 2002 Z71, 300,000 miles on it. It's not terrible. And this guy's meowing at me. So, oh, it's locked right now. Let me grab my keys. All right. So, yeah, little seat tear, little headliner hang. Carpet's not terrible, just, you know, needs to be cleaned up, gone through. Yeah, steering wheel. Dash isn't actually too bad. I thought dash was going to need some work, but it's not looking bad at all. So a little clean up there. It's just a mess, you know, but I mean, starts right up, fuel gauge up, oil pressure up, idling. I don't know why the parking brake light's flashing. ABS, engine sim, it's just, you know, some random things there. But overall, I mean, shoot, for a free truck, get this thing open here. Can't really complain. I mean, she's a runner. Sounds decent. Well, just needs a little bit of work. God bless. That thing's on there tight. Got fluid. So yeah, I do know that. See, I've already put a wheel hub on here. I've got to do front suspension. The bushings are just completely gone in here. I've got to get some new tires and rims because the guy wants his other tires back. We've already got the fronts which match this. We've already got that taken care of, but he does want these. I mean, you can see they're decent rims with almost brand new tires. So just got to deal with that. Got a little bit of body here, not too bad. I don't know that I'm going to worry about that. I might try to hammer that out a little bit just to smooth it out. It looks like somebody actually already kind of beat it a little bit, but I mean, shoot, not a bad truck. So just some cleanup, detail work, a little bit of fixing here and there, you know. Just need some adhesive. No armrest. And I think get it looking right. I might try to you know, actually try my hand at some paint, but you know, get it looking right, turn around, flip it. I think it's a good deal. So this is what I'm going to start on. You know, I'll obviously update progress as I go. Probably going to start with I point way out there, but I'm not even looking right. Point. Probably going to take this off because I mean it's broken. What's the freaking point of that? So get that out of the way, and probably start cleaning the inside. I'd like to see how it comes out. So, you know, it's got to do some cleaning on the back seat too. Back seat's in pretty good condition. You know, just gotta get this stuff out of here. I just, you know, don't need it at all. But a little cleanup did this truck some good, man. It really would. All right, well, let me get to work on it and see where we get. So I got just a quick update. I got the plastic off the front. She already looks better. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And did some cleaning across there, all the debris that was up there. Definitely need some new wipers. Not a big deal. I've been cleaning out the truck. It's looking a lot better. You can see there's quite a bit of stuff just out of here. I think we did have a little bit of a mouse situation. You can see from the chews right there, but I think they were just in here nibbling on something, because he had pistachios and whatnot in here. So but one thing I did want to show, I found this in the glove box, you know, right there. Service history. These are basically your oil changes here, you know, but yeah, look at the dates on that. It was kept up as far as that goes. So nothing wrong with that. I'm happy to see it. So, you know, it's a good update, you know. So we'll just continue cleaning this thing out, get the vacuum in here, start scrubbing some of this stuff, address some things that need to be kind of addressed here. No, it's not bad. It's just the clips are undone. So yeah, let's see how she cleans up. You know, that's first. Gotta make it look, you know, halfway decent at least. I think she'll clean up okay though. So let me finish that and start that cleaning process. We'll see what she does. See how she shines up. Hopefully good. All right, it's Kevin here, Vice Grip Garage. You know, got the truck. Woo, doing 360s. Got the truck right there. I've done some things. Got the cat that wants a lot of attention. Just too much, honestly, but it's okay. Whatever. Keeps the mice out of the garage. A couple things. I mean, did a cylinder pressure check on the truck right here, all 8 cylinders. Now, you're talking, I know. Every one of them, 147 to 150 psi. Perfect, great. There was on 2 cylinders on the spark plug. There's a little oil around the seat. Not sure exactly where that's coming from. It seemed really fresh, so I'm just going to do a little more investigation on that, because I am going to replace the valve cover gaskets as well. It's old, they're seeping just like my truck, same thing, but I've got something else going on here. Check this out here. We're going to start with a before and then probably cut to an after. So here, watch. Okay, this is of course the front and back tire. Yes, they are different. It did have the same. It had these all together, but you can see they're basically new. Still got the little rubbers on them. This was on all 4 tires or wheels, but the guy I got the truck from took the fronts, put them on the back of his current vehicle, but it does want these back and those back because they go to his current vehicle. So I've got something else for this truck. Okay, so we'll show you what that's like. All right. Woo. Woo. Look at that. 17s, GMs, nice knobby tires on them, front and back. You know, I mean, I think that's 100 times better. Anyway, that's clean looking, really is. So I'm very happy with how that came out. Also, hood cleaned up, done. Still got to do out there because I'm going to prep for paint. I want to do some painting up there. So I'm in here. That looks so much better, you know. I mean, what do y'all think? You know, type it down there below in the comments. Let me know. $300. $300 for these. You know, just stick them on, clean them up, stick them on there. They weren't too bad to begin with. So they're off of a Yukon GMC, but they don't have the GMC logo here. They actually say GM right here, but you can get them with the Chevy logo right there because they did use them for both platforms, I believe. So you know, I'm way happy with the way that looks. So let me know. Let me know. These tires are actually off my old truck. There's still some life left in there, good bit, but I went ahead and upgraded mine with some new treads and just used the old ones on here. I think that's a good way to go. It gets me some rougher looking, it's rough terrain tires on a 4x4 truck, and yeah, coming good. So basically, as it goes, got that done. I did get on order front suspension, rear shocks, because I got to do the upper and lower control arms up there, the traction bar, the bushings and everything that needs to be replaced. So we're going to get that taken care of. Front headlamps, because those are broken, and fog lamps, because I'm missing one on the other side. So we'll get all that done. You know, I'm going to add all this up. I'll give a breakdown of it once I get it done, and see if we can get this thing sold for a decent amount. See what the profit is. See if it's worth, you know, doing something like this. I mean, I really hope so. I enjoy doing this. This is fun. Like seeing how this comes about. So, do you think it's worth it? I mean, let me know. You know, especially for a free truck, I think it is. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep going that way. This is Kevin, Bin Garage Garage. We'll get back on the car at some point. I'm just finances for that as well, and this is part of it. Really, here, this is part of it. So, you know, we'll keep it going. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Talk to you next time.